In this section of our course, we'll be focusing on the fundamentals of CSS, but we'll also have discussions about HTML because these two languages work closely together. HTML was originally created for sharing research documents, so the default browser styles are based on making text easier to read. These do things like add spaces between paragraphs and bold headings. List items are numbered or shown with bullets. So while you can write HTML without CSS, the result would look pretty basic, but you can't write CSS without HTML. Though HTML elements are displayed with basic styling, choosing a particular element because of the way it looks should be avoided. That's what CSS was created for. HTML defines the structure of the document and adds meaning to the content. CSS controls the appearance of the HTML elements and separates the presentation from the content. So what exactly is CSS? Well, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It's a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of a document written in a markup language such as HTML. CSS is a cornerstone technology of the World Wide Web, alongside with HTML and JavaScript. CSS is a separate language with its own syntax and rules. CSS can be used for basic document text styling. These would be things like changing the color and the size of headings and links. It can also be used to create layout. For example, turning a web page into a multi-column layout. And finally, it can even be used to create animations and effects. There is so much we can do with CSS. You'll find that it truly is an amazing part of building websites. CSS has many benefits. Just in case you need some more convincing, here are a few reasons why you should be using CSS. You'll have precise control over layout and type. Using CSS allows us to achieve print-like precision within our web pages. This has really allowed designers to be much more creative when building websites. In addition, we have so many more formatting options available to us. It is amazing what you can design with CSS. CSS allows us to more easily maintain and update our web pages. You can think of it as global style management. You can basically change the appearance of an entire website, even if it's hundreds of pages, by simply editing one document. This is a complete game changer. Let's say you have a website that is 35 pages and your boss tells you to change the colors of all the headings throughout the website. You would basically need to open every page and make a change. With CSS, you go to the style sheet, you make one change, and bam, the entire site has been updated. Using CSS makes it easy to ensure that our website stays consistent. Since you are controlling properties from one location, you don't need to worry about subtle differences in position or colors or anything like that. By using CSS, you are effectively able to separate the structure from the design. This improves accessibility of your website. You can focus on creating meaningful content and not have to clog up the markup with design issues. In turn, your HTML is leaner and more efficient, and you'll still get the benefit of being able to build beautiful designs. Using CSS generally leads to less code behind your web pages, which helps with the download time of the page. Because you've placed all your CSS in one separate file, the code will be cached in the browser after the initial request. It doesn't need to download again for any subsequent pages. While it's not generally agreed by everyone, it's likely that CSS can help your pages be found with search engines. Because your site that is built using CSS contains less code and has simpler structure, it's easier to read not only for you, but also for search engine spiders. Allowing search engine spiders to get through your code faster means that your web pages can be indexed faster. And did I mention that it saves time? Since you can write CSS once and then reuse the same style sheet in multiple HTML pages, you'll be faster at creating and managing code. I can't wait to teach you all about CSS. It is certainly one of my favorite aspects of web development, and I'm excited to be able to share this information with you.